Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me and Dhana. I don't know if this is going to be a podcast or a regular video, but Dhana gets to decide because I'm giving Dhana a little more freedom on how he wants to place these videos. So if he decides to, this may be an evening video. So if it is evening, good evening on a Saturday evening. If it's a morning, well, good morning, it's a podcast. So I really don't know where I'm landing on this video because Dhana has taken full editorial freedom on this. So I do hope you enjoy it and find it informative and entertaining. Yesterday's video I spoke about ITC and Dhana has many questions as a Gen Z investor on ITC. Really some great questions were being actually asked by Arun, our camera guy, before the camera started rolling. So I thought maybe we should also talk about those questions too because a lot of you, I'm sure, are having these hairball ideas about ITC. But remember, ITC's record date is 6th Jan. That means till 5th if you buy, you are eligible for the hotel share. After 5th, even if you're buying on the 6th, you will not be eligible. So remember that and keep that in mind and don't later on saying, sir, I bought but I did not get. So let's jump in. What questions does Gen Z have about ITC?
First question, my Arun question, sir. If I have 1 lakh, for an example.
Oh God. Yeah,
because ITC hotel is a very big brand, like conglomerate in a hotel business. So if I have 1 lakh, then I'm investing for the ITC. Then I get the ITC even on the ITC hotels too. So we get double benefit. If the ITC hotel price is listed on the 200 rupees, like that range, then we can get about fairly 1,50,000 in the short span of time. 20 days is there. So we will place the money and then dump the money and then get many more profits. So this is our plan.
Well, it's a very stupid plan because the reason why you're talking as if things are 100% sure. Nothing is 100% sure, first of all. Second of all, the way you're trying to unlock value, it's not possible.
Okay.
Right? Because, let me explain this to you. If you have 1 lakh, right? Today, what is the price of an ITC share? Let's open the calculator.
475 sir, today.
Let me get my calculator.
At the time of recording.
Yeah, at the time, let's just anyway, the thought experiment. It's not like you have 1 lakh anyways. So, 1 lakh, right, divided by 475, that gives you 210 shares, right? So, write 210 shares. Let's get some paper here, right? So, today you spent 1 lakh, left your account, and you got 210 shares.
Okay.
How much would be brokerage on this for you in your account, whatever your broker is? I don't know what your broker is. Brokerage.
For purchase,
So 210 shares, no brokerage. Superb. So no brokerage, nil, right? Nil. So you bought it and it comes into your account and you're sitting fine and dandy, as my dad says. Then lo and behold, 6th Jan comes. Jan 6th, 7th, you open up and there you have 210 shares of ITC and new company, ITC Hotels appears on your portfolio and you have 21 shares.
21 shares.
And
know the price part. It's the important part.
Dude, you have to wait for it to be listed to trade.
Oh, that is waiting.
Okay.
Okay.
The price, now the funny thing is, ITC itself is giving a price band of 25 to 30 rupees is what they're saying.
ITC hotels only 25 to 30.
Yeah. So what I suggest you do is, once we finish recording this, go to ITC's website. They'll have the annual report and there'll be a revenue section.
Okay.
Under revenue section, we'll have tobacco, we'll have FMCG. I have this problem where I keep saying FMGC. I know it's funny, but dyslexia, so I keep flipping it. But whenever I say FMGC, I'm actually meaning FMCG. So if you ever get confused, what is Vinod talking about when he's saying FMGC? Please understand, there's no fast-moving goods consumer. It's fast-moving consumer goods. But Vinod, thanks dyslexia, keeps flipping it. Those of you who find it funny, I respect you and do have a good laugh. Those of you who are confused or are new to this, wondering what is this new thing Vinod is talking about, is not new. It just meant dyslexia. So you'll notice tobacco, which will be the largest portion. Then you'll see FMCG. Then you'll see hotels. Then you'll see papers. And you'll see agrabatti. Right? Each of these. And see hotel portion, no? See the actual percentage of revenue hotels is giving.
Okay.
You will see it's very small.
When in percentage we calculate 20, 30?
Yeah, you calculate and see. I'm giving you some homework, dude.
Sir,
okay, I want to ruin your Saturday evening.
I
want to make sure your Saturday evening is wasted, where you feel quite depressed.
We are very lazy to work out the calculation.
So if you see, majority of their business is tobacco. So the hotel business is very small compared to the rest of it. So if you take 475 stock value, they say 25 rupees. If you remove hotels, 25 rupees worth of value disappears from the share.
Okay.
So what is left of 450? So on 6th Jan, when this new company is created, ITC share price will immediately drop from 475, will go to 450, while you're waiting for this to start trading. Okay, on the day it trades, one funny thing is going to happen. ITC is owned by whom?
Bad, sir.
Yeah, British American Tobacco. That company is very sick. Okay, it is on life support.
Oh, like bankruptcy?
Huh?
Bankruptcy.
Bankruptcy. Okay, bankruptcy. I thought you were cracking a joke about ICU. Right?
No.
Okay, because you Gen Z guys, you have this new terminology which I don't even understand. Okay, so I don't want to get lost. As it is, I'm making an ass of myself with FMGC and FMCG. I don't want to have one more on my tick book. Okay, but all you guys are trolling me on this. So anyway, it's on life support, as you say, bankruptcy. Not because of bankruptcy. What's happened is tobacco is bad for health. Smoking tobacco kills you, and lots of consumers have realized this, and a lot of governments have realized this. They're all suing tobacco, big tobacco, saying you're killing our youth, you're killing us, you're giving us cancer. So some of the courts are saying, yes, what you did is wrong, you've hid it, and you are advertising this product without telling the consumer that it's bad for them. So they become liable. So a lot of cases are pending on them, and lots of them have lost, so they have to pay all that up. And the money is not there in tobacco as it used to be because of all the restrictions on it. So sales are down. So the investors of British American Tobacco are saying, hey, you have this, no? Your family jewel in India, it's valued so much, go sell it. Bring me the money. So they voted. So last year they sold some.
Okay, sir.
They pushed ITC price down. Okay, they sold some, took some money. And that time, British American Tobacco said, we don't want hotel business. We only want tobacco business.
Okay, sir. From the ITC?
Correct. No, everywhere in the world.
Everywhere in the world. Okay.
While we here in India look at tobacco, thankfully our people in ITC are very smart. Looked at tobacco and said tobacco is dying. So they pivoted and they're growing different segments. And FMCG is one of them, papers is one of them, Agrabatis is one of them, hotels is one of them. So the company is slowly trying to move away from tobacco. While British American Tobacco is saying, no, we'll only be tobacco.
Okay.
We are a British American Tobacco. Tobacco. So they're doing that. So they decided they will sell. The minute they get ITC hotels, they're going to dump it. They don't want it. They'll take the money.
Then the price correction will happen, sir.
Exactly. So now come back to your story. You're 1 lakh. So the day market opens, price band is 25 to 30. British American Tobacco decides to sell it, and all buddhisalis like you in the market will also decide to sell it. Billion boys, Gen Z will start dumping it. You will suddenly see your 25 going. Selling pressure can push it to 20, 15. There will be selling pressure on this also because this also will be people will be exiting ITC because of this arbitrage or whatever nonsense you're calling it. So there will be selling pressure here. So your 450 can even go to 420. So net result, you would have put 475 rupees per share. To consolidate it, your 475 can become 450, even worse 420 together. So then you sell it because you will panic at that time saying, oh my god, my 1 lakh, I have to pay rent, I have to pay for scooter, I have to pay EMI. I was only playing with this 1 lakh thinking I'll get my money back with profit. 50,000 profit. Yes. Now you'll see nothing is there, only guppy is there. We'll sell. And when you sell at this cost, what will happen?
For the sell brokerages.
Wait. Let's get to the fun first. So 210, right? At 420, that'll be 88,000 rupees you'll get. 88,200. Then 21 shares, right? At 20 rupees.
20 rupees, sir.
Okay, you'll get 420, which is 420. 420 plus 88,200. You would have got 88,620. Then, of course, you'll have to pay brokerage for this. How much will your brokerage charge you? Because now you told two sales. Because before you only bought one. One sale you bought 210. Now you did 2 sales. So your brokerage will charge 2 times for 2 separate sales. So what will it be?
Nearly to 500, sir.
So minus 500. Okay. You will be left with 88,000 rupees. You would have put 1 lakh and would have seen it evaporate. In reality, this is very much possible of happening. Right? When there's a chance of this happening, right? At best case scenario, all you'll do is recover that 1 lakh and pay your broker 500 rupees for nothing. Right? That's the best case scenario where ITC share stays where you mainly bought it and hotels lists at 30 and stays there even though BAT is selling it. Okay, it stays stable there and you exit. Because what will happen to you at that point in time, I'll tell you, human psychology will play another trick on you, dirty trick on you. You will see it sitting like this and you'll be seeing only 1 lakh. Well, I'll wait for 2 days, maybe that 1 lakh will go at least to 1,10,000. Then you'll exit. Next day, tobacco will follow. Net you will only lose if you're trying to do this because psychology is against you, the market is against you, this is not workable. And if there's even a remote chance of this possibility being there, ITC share price will be going up. Is ITC rocketing since they announced these dates? Where's ITC share price on? Nowhere. It is sitting there.
It was nearly dropping, sir.
Yeah, doing like this to you. is playing like this to you.
Okay, sir. Now I have another point, sir. If the 1 lakh I invested,
Hmm.
I'm waiting for the long term. Just say for the 10 years,
Now that
20
is a
years.
good question. Now that's a good question. That is a question worth asking.
Hmm.
Problem why your question should be why are they demerging?
Hmm.
The reason why they're demerging is
Hmm.
they got two types of businesses,
Hmm.
right? One
Hmm.
which does not require a lot of money,
Okay.
where the margin is very high,
Which
which
one,
is
sir?
tobacco.
Tobacco.
Okay, it's all heritage property. No, heritage factory. They already have field and everywhere. Tobacco. They don't need to invest much in tobacco.
Okay, sir.
And FMCG also, they don't need to do very much investment. They'll buy in wholesale from the farmers, process it in factory, put it in cupboards, and they're selling it.
Okay.
Correct. So these are high volume, good margin, good business. Hotels flip of it. Margins are low.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Because of competition and the industry right now. Margins are low and it's very capital intensive. That means it takes a lot of money. To open a new property, you have to spend money to doing interiors, painting, painting. In some cases, you have to buy the property if you can't manage it. And then after you have to, working capital is also expensive.
Okay.
Running the property and maintaining it year on year is expensive. So this hotel business is draining this. And any decision the board takes, they'll pay more attention to tobacco and FMCG because it is generating money. This is not generating. So there's no attention being given here. Though there's a good opportunity here because ITC is the second largest hotel provider in India. So there's opportunity here. So by decoupling this, this can run its own pace. It can borrow money independently.
Okay.
It can work independently. It'll have its own set of people running it. This will not be burdened and be pulled down by this stone. Right? It will run free now.
Okay.
Because whatever it's generating will not be taken by this company.
It's like a free cash flow for the.
Correct. It is. Have you done something known as sack race?
What is the meaning, sir?
Where you take one coney pie. You know what a coney pie is?
I know, sir.
Jute bag? You put one leg in it. I put one leg in it.
That game.
And yeah, we both hold and we both have to hop.
Right.
Not just one person. Two people. Yeah. So if you're not hopping in sync with me, because I'm fat and I'm slow, you're young and you're fast. I'll be weighing you down. Yes. We'll be like, sir, come on, sir. Sir.
Come on.
Sir, Karthi is waking up, sir. Let's go. Let's catch him. Karthi and Arun are there. Come on, sir. I'll be like holding, saying, Dhana, I'm very old. Please, slow.
Slow down.
Once I take my leg out, he'll be like, okay, don't worry, sir. I'll take over. And he'll go. That's what will happen with ITC.
Okay, sir. I understand.
So ITC, once it removes this, this is a hope. This is the idea. So with FMCG growing, Tata consumers, you see the price, you see Unilever, you see Nestle, this will start growing and becoming bigger. All the money it's making, profits it's making will go into this. Tobacco will finally leave. So this will be an FMCG company doing very well. Meanwhile, hotel, second largest, right? They're planning to expand. They already have 13,000 rooms. They plan to add another 5,000 rooms to become 18,000. They got new property sub-brands under them. Okay, they themselves have invested in companies like Leela and Hotel Oberoi. They are publicly traded companies. 18% is owned by ITC. Another 8% is owned by Leela is owned by ITC. So ITC is owning all this. So they're growing. They're taking this business also seriously. So there also you're going to see growth in the long run. And all the new properties they're going to do, there's going to be only doing property management. Meaning they will not buy the property. Someone will put the money. Some landowner will build a hotel. He'll do everything. These guys will come and run the business for them and share revenue.
Okay. Understand.
Profit sharing. So that capital burden also comes down. And this will become a separate business. So there is when you see Indian hotels, right? It used to be trading at 60 rupees, 40 rupees, 30 rupees, 70 rupees. Now it's trading where Indian hotels? 700.
Yes, sir.
Right? It's taken time. It didn't happen overnight. It's taken a good 10 years. Value unlocked. They're not only all over India, they're a global brand now. The Taj.
Okay.
So same potential for ITC is there.
Okay. But we need to wait for the long run.
Correct. And you have to keep
eye on that.
Yeah. The management. Who's the CEO? Who are the board? What are they deciding? How are they investing? Look at the balance sheet. Look at the debt. You have to keep doing that. Just because ITC, you cannot say ITC bajana and sit there. Because this ITC hotel has no other backup.
Okay.
The FMCG company ITC has tobacco in it. It has paper in it. It has agrabati in it. It has FMGC also in it.
Many cash flow generating.
Yes, FMCG also in it. So all of it together is there. It is one bundle. From that bundle, you've taken this one alone. So it's standing alone.
I understand.
So it can go like this or like that. That is why I'll say when you get the new shares, when BAT is selling ITC hotels, don't go run and buy it.
Wait.
Because you have to see how it performs. Okay. From overnight, it will not go from 25 rupees to 250 rupees or it will not go to 500 rupees. Don't worry. You'll have time to buy. As you're seeing the stock grow, we'll also be telling you here, Hotel, you're looking at hotels, this is very good. Hospitality, this is very good, we'll be telling. Other time you can consider.
I think this is our Gen Z generation. We need to focus on the ITC. This is the first time that we are facing the new company, and then we have to analyze the
Correct.
ITC hotels separately.
What you should tell everybody, which is most important, is if you have 39 shares of ITC, buy
That's
that
my
one.
next question, sir. Can I round off if I have the 8 or 9, 19 or 18? I can round off to the 20.
Yes, you should not round up from the nearest 10. Any multiple of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, like that.
Can I round off, sir?
Yeah, you can round it off. Buy more. Don't sell. If you have 109 shares, 109 shares, don't sell 9 shares. Buy one more.
One more.
Yeah. If you have 101 shares, buy 9 more shares.
Okay, sir. Can I round off the?
Please round off. Buy. Right? Like I said, if you have 91 shares, buy 9 more.
Okay, sir. If the ITC hotel was the price was down after
not
the
sell.
trade, I don't sell, sir.
Yes, because the amount of shares you will get will probably be 10 shares, 20 shares. Just 500 rupees, 600 rupees. You don't need that 500 rupees. And don't immediately think, I'll take that 500 rupees and I have a better place to put it, sir. I will buy South Indian Bank. Don't do all that, okay?
Okay, sir.
Just leave it. For once, for God's sake, just let it sit there and let it see what happens.
Okay, sir. And next video, I have come with the ITC hotel separate business, sir. That FMCG business. Food business was run by Hemant Malik.
Okay, we'll discuss the next video because we have done this too long.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Whenever the video is launched, I do not know if it's a morning or evening. We wish you a wonderful day ahead or a night ahead. And me and Dhana will see you again tomorrow with another one. Thank you.
Thank you.